getting our bed, this one, ready to plant. I hadn't even touched the pepper bed. I'm not anywhere near ready to plant peppers. But my early tomatoes, I'm gonna go ahead and do this bed, and then we'll wait a while before we start pulling out those collards and stuff. Planted some cabbage. They're just not doing good. But now these beds have had a lot of nut grass got in them. So that is the main reason that I'm tilling this up. It'll help some, it won't get rid of it. So in these beds, I'll just fight it, pull it out. You see me picking up some trash from the storms that come through. Now all we have gotten here is a little bit of wind, not bad, but it just blowed some garbage around the yard. I'm still finding it here, there, and yonder. Most of the bad storms on Friday went way above us by 40 or 50 miles. And then Sunday, the storms were all south of us. So we've been in that sweet spot. We'll get our turn before it's over with, I'm sure. Still got a long tornado season ahead of us, but it's also spring gardening. That's just part of it. So I've got some Romas that we're gonna put in here, and I've got some Better Boys that we've had for a while. I've been babysitting inside my shed, potted up, and they're getting a little bigger. So we're gonna fertilize this, and we're gonna get out here and do that. I'm gonna take the hoe and clean around the edge of that bed, but I've got a lot of ants in here, so I'm gonna spray these ants. They've eat that other log up. And with these logs, you peel them, you get 4 or 5 years out of them. This one, it's getting time to start replacing this one. And this is one of the newer beds. No, that is the newer bed. But anyway, it's getting time to replace these logs over here. But we're gonna get another year out of them. But I'm gonna go get some spray. And what I've had the best luck killing ants with, y'all, is 38 plus. I've tried a lot of different things. That granulated ant poison works good on squash bugs and stuff, but it simply just does not kill ants. It'll make them move and leave that spot, but they'll pop up right over there. The only thing that I've found that'll kill them is 38 plus, and you spray it on there, and that's what I'm gonna do. I've tried a lot of organic stuff. I've tried the borax. I've tried cornmeal. We've tried all different kind of stuff people says works. Y'all, it just simply don't work. It might make them move, but it does not kill the ants, or hadn't in my experience. Let's get that done. We're gonna get some tomatoes planted here shortly. This is 38 plus. This is the stuff. I already have some in here, but what we've been fighting is inside the house. We had a bunch of spiders, and I have sprayed this in the house in the past over some wood to kill like termites and stuff, but we sucked the spiders up with a shop vac, and I had to spray in the shop vac to kill the spiders. And I'm gonna measure this out real precise for y'all. Right there. And I got about a gallon of water right here. And that's that good old rainwater. I'm gonna get another jug of water. All right, that's good enough. Put this back up. Now, I know somebody's probably already asked the question. That was not the tiller I repaired. I have 2 tillers. Remember I mentioned I have one that turns backwards. That is a very small tiller. Hey there, fella. Come on. It is much easier to get in and out of that bed and fight. You've seen how I was having to fight. You don't want to fight that old big tiller in something like that. It's good for the garden, but up in junk like that, use the little tiller. So let's go see can we kill these ants. The next thing, y'all, the other day, reason I had this mixed up, I was sitting right over here and under my workbench where I'm making my knives. They was termites come out of a piece of wood I had standing up. It was the only piece that wasn't treated that I threw in there to hold the back of that table up, and they have eaten it up. And so I sprayed all in under there. They went to flying, and I was killing them fast as they come out of there, and it dropped them right there. So this is good stuff. It'll kill whatever walks, crawls. Spray it around your house, fight the termites. This is the stuff. I am not a huge fan of a lot of poisons. Sometimes they're necessary, folks. Even as much as we wouldn't like to use it, I tell you where I stand with poisons. Once I have got fruit on my vines, whether it be tomatoes, squash, whatever, I don't like to spray poisons on what I'm going to be eating. If I'm going to eat lettuce, I'm not going to spray it poisons. Going out here and spraying all this stuff in the dirt beforehand, I don't have a problem with it. And when they get bad eating on my tomato vine stuff, and I need to, I will fight it with something a little milder than this. I won't spray this on it. Let's go spray these ants. While we at it, we will have to knock some of these little mounds. I got these little mounds popping up all over the yard. And you'll wear a sprayer out with it, but I like to come over here and stomp on them, stir them up good, and then really soak it down. Brody says we being mean at them. All right, here's one behind the camera. All right, y'all come on with me here. Don't just be standing around. I know y'all can't see them ants. Just trust me that they're there. All I gotta do is not tell Michelle in a minute that they're here, and you'll know that they're here, because when she starts planting her tomatoes, she'll go to hollering. You always got to work on the sprayer a little bit. Don't put your mouth on it now. Now we'll have to wait a little while for them ants to die before we can go plant them tomatoes. So hang with us there, come on.
What are we doing?
We're gonna put fertilizer in there.
Can I help? Can I help? Can I help?
That's enough.
I want to help. Can I help?
You don't need to get this on your hands, buddy.
Why?
It's cause it's bad. That's good.
What is that? Turnip?
Collard.
Something where they ain't pulling up.
Yeah, they need cooking. What they
They
need.
too big to cook.
They ain't done it. That right there is fine eating. Look.
They too big and too tough.
Ain't a blooming thing wrong with that.
Yeah, you jumped it out.
Yeah, so this was he couldn't live in here.
No, he couldn't.
He would die. My finger did that. This wasn't his fault. His home anymore. He didn't like this
No.
part.
You sound like you're getting hoarse.
Brother, turn around and talk to them people on that camera.
Hey, ow. Hey.
That's the wrong side.
You gotta stand over here.
Where? Which way?
Y'all, we confused Brody because we had the camera turned around the opposite way. He's used to the front-facing camera where he can see himself. Now you can go talk to him. What you got in that pan? He had a worm in it. Come over here and talk to these folks.
He didn't like this home.
Did you run over the tiller? All right, y'all. We finna plant some tomatoes. Which side do you want to put the Romans on?
This one.
All right, I'm gonna put the better boys over here then. That boy's papa come up here, mentioned something about ice cream, and he loaded up with him, and they parted ways. I can't say I blame him, though. I'd choose ice cream over planting tomatoes if I was a boy, too. Let me see how I want to space mine out. Last year we had them too close together. I believe I can get 6 though. Yeah. That's the way I'm gonna do that. Now I put triple 13 in here, y'all, and it has already had chicken fertilizer put in here back earlier.
garden.
All right, I got mine planted. Well, y'all, that was just as easy. We've got tomatoes in the ground. I've actually already planted 2 up there in some pots. Thank y'all for watching Spirit of the Outdoors. We'll see you next time. Remember, the best way to do things is the way you like to do it. We'll see y'all.